Hello Splunk professionals, good day. This is Splunk admin from Real-TechFunda. So here in this session we do Splunk deployment server configurations. So why we have to do this one actually when it is required in a large scale of Splunk cluster environments, okay? So we need to have one Splunk deployment server, okay? So what is this deployment server, okay? What it does, okay? This deployment server, okay, DS, in shortcut we call it as DS, okay? So this DS is a full Splunk enterprise instance. We are installing full package, okay? This acts as a centralized configuration manager, okay? It deploys configuration updates to other instances. So other instances, like in a cluster instances, okay, this Splunk is collecting real-time data, right, from various multiple systems, okay? So how it will be collecting? We are installing universal forwarders into that client servers, okay? So one more thing actually, I'll tell this one, deployment server. This deployment server is why, okay, this used to push apps and or add-ons to forwarders, okay? This deployment server, it will push the apps, okay, to these forwarders, and standalone Splunk instances also, like search heads and indexers, okay? So these Splunk forwarders calling it as a deployment clients, because we are installing these forwarders in a client server, right? So these are deployment clients. Now the connection we have to give. So how to give the connection between this deployment server and this universal forwarder, okay? So this is what deployment server configurations we have to establish, and how to push the apps to this deployment clients, okay? That's what. So yeah, let's go to the next slide. See here, see, this is the deployment server, right? We are installing server forwarder, okay? See, a universal forwarder in one of the client system, here also like this, one of the client systems. So once the connection is established, okay, why we use, actually we use to push the apps whenever we want to install something here in this one, okay? We can do this one through deployment server. So once we have installed this configuration done, this forwarder configurations and this one, okay, we'll get the data, real-time data from this forwarders to indexers. So further data, so information will give it to you later, okay? That's what. Next, now coming to this one, see here, this is Google Cloud Platform. This I will establish, okay, what I will be achieving in this session, So this is one deployment server. In the last session I have already installed Splunk full package in this deployment server, okay? I have created two servers, client servers, as ADC is client, okay? Universal forwarder 1, universal forwarder 2, to these two instances, okay? So here in this I have installed universal forwarder in this one, okay? Universal forwarder, okay? In this one Splunk universal forwarder software I have installed, okay? So this one, this and this deployment server, okay, we have to establish a connection. I have already established, okay? So I'll be showing you how to install this Splunk forwarder into this machine, okay, Linux machine, and how to establish a connection, okay? For example, I already established a connection, right? See here, this is actually what is it, deployment server, okay? Deployment server, see here, external IP 197.154, okay? Deployment server external IP 97.154, okay? This is the one here. Once you come to this one, here you see settings, forwarder management. So this for this deployment server, these are clients, right? In client servers, server and client connection is we are establishing, okay? So these are clients. See here, this is, see here, under clients, forwarder management, under clients, one client is already there, okay? ADC universal forwarder 1, okay? Now we want sorry, Now we have to bring another one also. We have to make a connection for UF2 also. See this one. Sorry. Okay, so quickly I have already opened this one. Okay, for universal forwarder, just click on this one. Okay, this will open. Okay, how to install? We'll quickly install this one. Let's go to this one. Where is this one? Free Splunk. I'm already there in a Splunk. Okay, free trial. I need universal forwarder. See, universal forwarder, UF. Okay, so UF Linux and 64-bit I am downloading. Okay, 64-bit I am not downloading, and RPM file, RPM file. See the last video, you will understand. Follow my videos from the beginning, you will understand. I'll take you to the way, okay, how we'll be working with the Splunk clusters. Okay, so this one, that is, you are downloading Splunk Universal Forwarder command via command line. Okay, that we don't want. Okay, I'll stop that one. I am taking this one, control. We'll see. Okay, yeah, I am stopping this one. Stop it. Next, go to the Universal Forwarder 2. See ADC in Universal Forwarder 2. Okay, so here clear it. CD OPT. Let's change this one. See, cursor is blinking, right? Print into printf. Okay, and bracket 5Q. So that is what. One more thing, I want this color in red. Okay, just take this one. See, we need not to know how to write out. It's just we have to just use it. That will take another session. Why we need, what is required, we just use. Okay, see here, it's done, right? Now where are we? PWD. Okay, no OPT. Okay, now see, anyhow we know, right, wget is not there. Okay, so yum install wget get -y, because wget is, we are using wget to download that software. Okay, so I have this software now. What is this? Not this one. Where is this? Splunk. Okay, let's use this command, Control Z, Control A. See, okay, here shift to insert, we copied there, right? Here you just give shift to insert OPT. It is done. Right? So ls, yeah, it is there already. It is there. Now ls-lart if you want to see. Okay, so that's what ls. I hope you can see this one clear. Okay, ls. So now rar -ivh and Splunk. Okay, rar file, right? We are extracting this one. So rar Splunk forwarder, this one command not found. What command? Rar command is not found. Okay. What I am giving? RPM, right? RPM -ivh. Okay, ivh Splunk clear ls. We are extracting this one, RPM -ivh Splunk tab. Okay, it is extracting. Yeah, so extracted. Exit. Exit sudo -Splunk login as a Splunk. Okay, So clear, clear everything. Where are we? pwd. Okay, see. Sorry, forwarder is already there now. Okay, Splunk forwarder is already there. ls, sorry, clear. Okay, pwd. Now go to this one, cd bin. We have to run this one, right? Okay, dot forward slash Splunk start hyphen accept accept hyphen cnc license. Okay, it is asking username uf2 admin. Okay, EASSWORT. Generally will give this one for demo purpose. Okay, we will remember all those things. That is why. Okay, so checking Splunk. Okay, all right, go to this one, dot Splunk status. Yes, okay, it's running fine. Okay, clear. Now where are we? We have to create see how to establish a connection. Okay, how to establish connection? We are establishing the connection between these two. What are those? Where is it? Connection with deployment server and any UFs. Okay, universal forwarder by using one conf file is there. Okay, deployment client. Okay, so this and all not required. I just searched for some images. Okay, so this is what okay, this is the deployment client.conf. okay, where we can create this file. Okay, we can create this file in opt Splunk forwarder /etc apps. Under apps folder you can create one folder for deployment client apps. There you can create one local, there you can put this one, or else in system local also you can create this one. Okay, so we have this one as a reference. Okay, let's go to this one. This is the UF, right? Yeah, so exit sudo su. Okay, cd clear cd opt sp Splunk forwarder /etc apps. Okay, so now where are we? ls in a apps folder. Okay, so give one space back, you will see what is there here. Okay, see here, where is our apps folder? See, this is our apps folder, right? So we are going there into that one, cd app, yes, apps folder. Okay, clear. Okay, see here, apps. Now we have to create one app for deployment server and one folder for this universal forwarding in the client server. Okay, with the client name. Okay, see here how to create a folder. We are already in apps, right? Okay, see, that's fine. Okay, mk dir make directory. What to create? So -p. Why we are giving -p? So we have to create one apps folder, and inside that we have to create one more folder also, local. So two folders, parent folder. To make a parent directory as needed, we use this -p. Okay, so client name is adc underscore deployment client deployment deployment client okay, underscore app /local. Both the files will be created now, folders, okay, this one and the local also, ls. See here, apps folder CADC, this one has been created. See here, CD ADC, let's go to that one, ls, what is, see, local folder is already there in that one, CD local, okay, right, we are in, okay, in local, pwd, you check this one, opt Splunk forwarder etc ops folder add deployment app, okay, deployment client app local. Now create one deployment client .conf, okay, okay, clear, I'm just clearing, okay. If you want to see that one, you see pwd here, it will be there where I am creating, okay, vi sorry, VIDEPLOYMENT deployment client.conf, okay, deployment client. See, spellings you have to see here, you know, theoretical knowledge you will get in online lot, okay, practical things you will be getting very less, okay. We'll go with the practical things, okay, deployment client. So here I am copying that one, what is it, see here, these stanzas are there here, let's go to here, okay, see this one, this is the stanza, see deployment client, okay, whatever the new content, any update we can see here, okay, this update we are, see this forwarder, okay, universal forwarder or client system, okay, deployment client will get it from this one, deployment server, okay. So here we are giving the deployment server, target broker is the deployment server. So you know, deployment server does not need to remember this forwarder, okay. Generally under Ambani, n number of employees are working, right, he does not need to remember all, okay. His employees will have to remember his name, right, they will remember, it is easy. So that's way, okay, we are creating n number of forwarders or client, deployment clients. In that case, see 100 for example, sometimes 100 or 500, 800. See these many names this deployment server cannot remember, okay, as just think like that, okay. So these guys, this each employee can remember that a CEO, right, owner of that company, okay. So like that, okay. So this one is giving, okay, this only has to talk to deployment server, okay, this which one, this deployment client only, forwarder, universal forwarder only. So to talk to that one we need that address, right, actually deployment server address. See, this is the target URI, this is the address of that one, this is the management port, okay. On this management port we are talking with, this is inquiring with deployment server, okay. See here, generally we have to give it, this is the name, okay, domain name service, okay. DNS we have to give as mandatory, but we can give IP address of that deployment server also, internal IP. I'll show you. Just take this one, copy, yeah, copy, paste. Sorry, okay, shift to insert, where is it, okay, no, escape, okay, just quit without saving, just see these things, okay. Is it created anything here? Nothing created, right? You give up arrow, VI deployment client conf, okay. So here you have to, you can write also, or else you can again I'm just taking this one, control C, copy, yes, okay, so it's pasted. You can give shift to insert, or else give it right click also, it will be pasted here. Okay, so now this content will not be saved properly, okay, sometimes. So in that case you see sorry, what is happening, home there, here, okay, DEPL OY deployment hyphen client, we have to give one space after that one. Okay, here target URI is correct. Okay, target URI, okay, remove the space. I don't have that name, so I am giving internal IP address of this deployment server. Okay, this is the deployment server, this is the internal IP for this one, 10.128.0.9. okay, where am I? Okay, so insert okay, 8089 is a management port. Now that first line is there, right, that I want to delete. Okay, how to delete that one? Let's go to the first line, :0, it will go to the first line. Okay, press double D, it's removed, right? Deployment, just check that one, naming conventions. Okay, deployment client where is it? Okay, deployment client, target broker, okay, target URI, this is the one. Okay, now it's almost correct. Just write quit. Okay, save and quit. Okay, now sorry. Okay, so we have to restart the server. Okay, until you restart, your changes will not get affected. Okay, so that is what, cd opt Splunk forwarder bin okay, here dot Splunk restart. Okay, that is what. Okay, so here you see I am restarting this one also, deployment server. Okay, this is the deployment server. Okay, so cd opt Splunk full package, right, bin, okay, dot Splunk restart. It won't take much time. Yeah, see this one, correct? Yeah, this is also done. Let's go, it's restarted, right? You know how to open this page, this simple. Okay, this deployment server, click on external IP, we have given internal IP. Okay, where internal IP for this universal forwarder. Okay, here UI, we are using external ADMIN admin PASSWORD. Okay, okay, go to settings, forwarder management. See here, it is showing this one, right? It needs some time, okay, to show this one. Previously you were able to see, right? Okay, it needs some time. Okay, so previously what you were seeing, this one here, this one you are seeing. Okay, client 1 UF 1. Okay, so apps, none apps, server class is also nothing. See here, client name, what is the client name, instance name, IP address of that one. Okay, I'm showing. Okay, instead of wasting time, I'm going here. Actually UF1, same thing. Okay, UF1 128.0. you see here 128.0 128.0 here, and we can delete this record also. See, most importantly, you have to know here actually this one, phone home. What is this phone home? Saying hi, handshake. Okay, so this, what is that? This universal forwarder. Okay, deployment client, in every 60 seconds, by default in every 60 seconds, pinging to saying hi. Okay, connecting with the deployment server. Do you have any updates for me? Do you have any updates for me? Okay, see, it's sometimes, okay, it will interrupt. Okay, it will prevent to give the right updates to this universal forwarder, because it is frequently going and hitting that server, right? It's wasting deployment server's resources also unnecessarily. So we can change that timing, period of this time. Okay, sorry for this stuff. Okay, this phone home. Okay, so how to change that? I'll show. I have changed this one, that's why it is showing 2 minutes. Otherwise it will show few seconds like this. See here, a few seconds ago. Okay, see this, like this it will show generally. This is what the explanation I wanted to. Remaining things in the next session I will tell. Okay, how to create apps and all, how to push those apps from deployment server to forwarder. Okay, universal forwarder deployment client. Okay, let's go to here, let's check whether it is coming or not. Generally it will take last time as I observed. Okay, see here, see universal forwarder 1, forwarder 2, two clients, right? These two clients. Okay, this is what the connection we have established. Okay, one more thing you can see here, same way I have created another file. Okay, where are we? pwd. Okay, fine. See here, this is UF1. Okay, cd opt Splunk. Okay, etc apps, give this one. Okay, so cd adc forwarder slash adc dc deployment count. Okay, loca local ls, nothing is there. All right, so I didn't create under this one pwd. Okay, so I didn't create anything. I just create one folder, but I didn't create. How I have established? Okay, two places we can create this deployment.conf file. Here etc apps, and we can create one folder for these apps. Okay, and create a local. Under local also we can create, like we have created here for this one, right? See here, opt Splunk forwarder etc apps adc deployment client app local. Here we have created, right, this deployment client app, and we have established the connection here in the apps folder. Now you see here in the systems folder I have established this connection. Okay, so cd, okay, cd opt Splunk, okay, forwarder etc, okay, etc system 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 local local. Okay, ls, you see here deployment client, right? So cat deployment client. See here see here, what is this deployment client? This is what the standards we have provided here. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, phone home. Okay, this is the attribute we can add to increase the actually phone home, saying inquiring every 60 seconds, right? Default one we can change with. Here actually I have given 10 minutes. Okay, 10 into 60 seconds, 600 seconds. Okay, so that I have given last time. That's why you are seeing this one. What is this? Okay, 2 seconds. Where is, then later I have stopped that one, remember. Where is it? Commented. See, commented. Okay, you can use this one. Phone home. This is also there here. Okay, where is it? Target URI. This is phone home. Okay, this is actually, see here, deployment client should phone home server for app updates quicker. Okay, any apps, do you have any apps to push to the universal forwarder or this client, deployment client? It will ask, okay, every 60 seconds by default. And also deployment client should only send back app events once a day. This is the one. Okay, this also will give any updates to that one. Like that, further sessions, okay, different cases are there, you can use that one. If you go through this one, you will understand those things. Coming to this one, now you understood, right? You can also create this one here, deployment in a system local, right? Two things you understood. And also how to install Splunk forwarder. Okay, see here, this is the connection established. Okay, please do subscribe my channel Real-TechFunda. From the beginning, actually, how to create a GCP account and installations, creating instance in GCP. So most important commands generally we use those two, and how to create a deployment server and install a .rpm file. Actually, I have already explained in today's, actually this is the one, you know now. Okay, how to establish the connection. Okay, thank you so much. Please do subscribe.